him. So I'm going to copy this one now. So I can prove to you from here, you will know if this business the owners have truly renounced their power on this business. If we find the owner's addresses on this smart contract, then it's proof that this business has not truly been renounced and this business will crash. Because as far as the owner's details are not there, trust me, this business will stand the test of time. As far as internet is still in existence and blockchain is in existence, people will keep making money in this business the way it is. Do you understand? So now I've copied the smart contract for what? For Bitnest. The Bitnest smart contract. So let's come to BSC scan. Now BSC scan, like I told you, is a third-party scan. It has nothing to do with Bitnest. And that's why we have several third-party scan. And this is a proper way to check. When I was learning about this business, I was checking the wrong way. I went on Google to go and search. I went on YouTube to go and search. And even Scam Advisor was giving me wrong information. And that was the wrongest way to check. The best way to check is by using a crypto-related scanner to check. They will give you the facts and figures about whatever big crypto business you want to enter. And I'm showing you this so that anytime you find other crypto businesses that you want to check, this is how you fact check it to be sure that this business is legitimate. You understand? So you are also learning something new from me that you're supposed to pay me for. But no problem. I'll give it to you for free. So now, come here. Let me show you. Now it has come up, right? You can see this is a smart contract. So let's go down. When you come to this place contract, let's select contract. You see what? This is Bitnest. So this contract belongs to Bitnest. The one I showed you earlier belonged to PancakeSwap, right? So when you click on read contracts, I want to show you something very amazing thing. You see where we have default admin role. This is where you discover if the owners are still in charge of the business. That's why they call the default admin role. So once we click on it now, what do you see? 0 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And what does that mean? Empty. It means empty. It is annulled. There's no power. They don't have any assets. They don't have any control. That's just what it means. If the owners have control, you will see figures like this. This is what something similar to this is what you see here. But it is 0, 0, 0. This is how you know that the owners have renounced their power. No wonder this business has been running for this long. No wonder people keep cashing out every time they come into this business. You understand? This was what changed my life. This was what opened my eyes. If I had not seen this thing, I would have never joined this business. But the moment I saw this, I was like, yes, I can be a part of this business. I'm still going to prove this to you going on that side too. But let me show you something quickly here. When you come to token transfer here, you click on it. Okay. So over here, you will see how money is going out and money is coming in. So I want to show you how to link up our Bitnest smart contract and the PancakeSwap. Okay. So over here, you see in. What in means is the money that is going into the system. 6 seconds ago, someone invested $300. 9 seconds ago, someone invested $100. 15 seconds ago, someone invested what? $1,500. Over here, you see out. Out means the system paid someone $328. Okay, that's what just it means. Now let's see here. Look at this contract here. This smart contract is what? The one that ends with 526E. Look at it here. It's the same thing as this one. 526E. The Bitloop smart contract. So it is this one that carries the money into the PancakeSwap, into this place. That's the one that carries money in. This particular one that ends with 526E, right? The one that now takes money out, you can see out is what? The PancakeSwap is the one that carries money out. That's 3121. 3121. You understand? That's one that takes money out automatically. So once your investment has matured and ready to receive, the system will automatically send the money to your wallet. You don't need to press anything like withdrawal. You don't need to press anything. It is automatic because it is being run by a smart contract. Okay? Look at investment. Look at how much someone earned here that came in. Look at it. If you keep checking, you see people doing crazy amount. 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000 in investment. And people getting their money back. You understand? This one out, 2,900. Look at this one, 10,800 out that someone received, okay, through the PancakeSwap contract because that is where the money is, okay? Look at it here, 3,000 110. This one 3,400 out. Okay. If we keep going, you see a lot. There are a lot of them. Although I don't have so much time to be showing you this, but I just want to show you so that you can, on your own, you can always still come and do this research based on what I have shown you. Okay. All right. So this is how you match them together. All right. So, but don't believe BSC scan. I don't want you to believe it. Let's go to another site so I can prove to you. So we'll use Solidity Scan, which is also an independent third-party site. Okay. So once we come here, you're going to click on Run a Quick Scan. You're going to click on that. Then this will come up. You select blockchain. Okay. So this is the network you're selecting, Binance. And you come here and select chain. You say BSC mainnet. All right. That's what you will select. Then I'm going to paste in the Bitnest smart contract, the one I copied here, because I want to show you that the owners have relinquished their powers. All right. So I'm going to click on Start Scan. Can see I didn't even sign in. I didn't have any account here. It's just a scanner that just tells you if the system is authentic or it's not authentic. You understand? And this will also help you understand the risk level of whatever business you are joining if it's on the blockchain. Don't go and use YouTube or Google to go and make discovery about businesses like this. Use the right channel, which is the blockchain scanners. All right. So you can see threat analysis. This is what we need to see. Low risk. Low what risk? 97 over 100. This is a pass mark. This is a very good pass mark. Now let's go down. I want to show you something quickly. You can always come here to read every other thing by yourself because I don't have time. I'm just going to show you. Look at it here. Renounced ownership. Please pay attention to this place because I want to read something for you here. The administrator has renounced their ownership. Which administrators? Bitnest owners. They have renounced their ownership. Now, what does renounce means or renouncing of ownership means? Renounced ownership shows that the contract is truly decentralized, and once deployed, it can't be manipulated by administrators. You see, anytime I read this part, I used to have peace of mind. My mind will just calm down. Let me read it for you again. Maybe you feel what I'm feeling. Renounced ownership shows that the contract is truly decentralized, and once deployed, it can't be manipulated. You see that part? Manipulated by administrators. They don't lock up. That is the only reason why they can lock the money here. And that is the only reason why the smart contract is the one running everything, running all the operations in this place. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So you can read through all this place to tell you what this one says, because these are all positive feedback about what the business is doing. So the threat level is extremely low, which makes it a valid system. Let me also show you one more before I continue. When we come here, CertiK, I mentioned that this business has been audited by CertiK, okay? And CertiK is the largest blockchain security auditor we have in the world, the largest. And Bitnest gave them their smart contract to audit it for them. You understand? And they gave us the audit report. Now, CertiK is trusted by a lot of big names. Look at Apple, Ripple, PancakeSwap, Tether, a lot of them, Bitcoin.com. These are big names. Samsung, Binance. These are big names that trust this system. So they cannot come and give you fake information. Hope you understand my point. So I'm going to click on Skynet to get our result, okay? When we come here, you just type Bitnest.
Right. Today, we're going to talk about something really exciting.
All right. So it's going to bring it up. So when we come here, when you see MEC, this is Melon Coin that will be launching next year. So there's really no information about Melon Coin here, but you see Bitnest next. You just click on Bitnest and you see all 4 findings. 2 acknowledge. What it means is that 2 needed to be acknowledged, and they were acknowledged. What happened? I need to refresh my system. I need to refresh my system or what? Okay. So 2 acknowledged because they needed to be acknowledged, and 2 were resolved because they needed to be resolved. And if you come to properties here, you see 9 over 9 properties. Okay. If we click on this, let's see the details. Details here shows 9 over 9 have true results. And what true result means that they are valid results. There are no lies. There are no gimmicks. There are facts. Do you understand? That's just what true result means. So look at this first one, say renounce role. Access control renounce role is true. So they are not lying about the fact that they have renounced their ownership. Like I said, this is one of the reasons why this business is still in existence.
Right.
If the owner still had power over this business by now, with all the influx of money that is coming to the business, they would have crashed and run away with our money.
Today we're going to talk about something.
But the fact that it is locked, they want people to actually make money, and that's why they're also involved in the business. As a matter of fact, they tested this business for 1 whole year to be sure that this thing will stand the test of time, to cross all the T's and dot all the I's, to correct every errors before they now launch it fully. And that's why I trust this business so much. All right. So if you click here, you see view PDF. Meanwhile, let me come here first. When we come to the website, you see this place, you see security audit. When you select it, it will bring out the audit report from CertiK. Okay. But I'm going to read it directly from the CertiK website itself, because that is the source from which it went. They put it on the Bitnest site, okay? So I just want to show you something quickly. I just want to show you something, the most important thing here, which you need to know. Let me scroll down quickly. You will soon get there. Look at this place. Now, most businesses, crypto-related businesses, most of them, you will not know that some of them have short-term renouncement. Some have long-term renouncement, and some have permanent renouncement. You understand? But Bitnest is a permanent renouncement. The reason why some of all these ones, long-term and short-term renouncement, if the owners put it as long-term or short-term, they must definitely crash. And it was through this business I even knew that you could have long-term, short-term, and permanent. But you see, Bitnest has permanent renouncement. And look at it, renouncing the ownership or removing the function can be considered fully resolved when it is permanent, okay? So renounce the ownership and never claim back the privilege roles or remove the risky functionality. So look at the alleviation, which means the conclusion. The team would renounce default _admin role. They renounced it and resolved the issues. So all the issues that were there that CertiK discovered and noticed, they resolved all the issues. Every single one was resolved. And they also renounced their ownership. So this makes it permanent. This makes it permanent. So how will you see this kind of thing? All this evidence that I've shown you, and you will not be eager to want to be a part of this business. So this is how it works, and this is how you check everything. To go further, to even bust your head now, you see this business has also been insured. Let's go back to home. When we scroll down, you see where they have cover terms. When you click on it, it will bring you to insurance agreement. So this tells us that even in case of any environmental casualty or any kind of issues, your money is insured and covered. You can claim back your money. Your money is insured and covered. So you don't have any issues. You can always read this through this at your own time. I'm just showing you all these things so that you can know how to access them at your own time. All right? So that is what this business is all about.